Welcome to another episode of LVF Outdoors, and I'm done my exams, so I'm going ice fishing for the afternoon. Unfortunately, I can't stay for the evening walleye bite because I can't get a drive back home that late, but I'm going to be spending a few hours there this afternoon fishing for pike, perch, and possibly walleye, because the odd time you'll see one cruising in the shallows in 14 feet. And I'm going to hopefully try to get some underwater footage today, because I haven't gotten a whole bunch of that yet this year, and I know I like those videos. I don't know how much you guys like them, but yeah, so hopefully I'll get some underwater footage and hopefully I'll catch some fish, so I'll see you out on the ice. So I'm on the lake now. It's very windy. Just caught my first fish of the day. Probably the smallest fish I've caught this year. I guess because I'm marking a ton of fish down there. I'm guessing they're like all this size. I just have my GoPro down. Hopefully I got some underwater footage. Literally the minnows I have on my tip-ups are literally twice this size. But this is what the pike and walleye are feeding on. So it's insanely windy out here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But I've caught 4 tiny little perch so far. Nothing big. They're really lethargic. Like here, I'm not setting up the shack today because it's way too windy to set it up. I have my Garmin, I have my GoPro down the hole, and yeah, so I'll keep on fishing and see what happens. Believe it or not, this guy's the biggest guy of the day. He's a little more than 3 inches, probably about 4. So it's better, but still lots of improvement to do. So that's pretty much it for this video. I only was able to spend about 3 hours there because I finished my exam at around 11 o'clock and I had to get picked up at like 3. So I wasn't able to stay for the walleye bite. Tuesday I fished a walleye bite. I caught 6 walleye, 1 pike, and like I don't know how many perch. But I didn't grab my filming stuff that day because I was just sort of in a rush. Today it was cool to see that pike swim by. All the fish were so lethargic though. Like Tuesday I had a pike bite 2 feet below the ice while I was reeling in. Today that pike was just circling around, not interested in anything. I tried a few different things for him. But thanks for watching. Hopefully next time I can get some better fish for you guys on video. Or if you want to see some better fish, go watch my last video where I was really successful. We'll see you in the next one.